Trying to figure out which bank is best for you as a student, Patriot or Chase? You're not alone. It's a question many students face when trying to set up their financial lives for success. Choosing the right bank isn't just about where you stash your cash, it's about finding a financial partner that understands your unique needs, offers the right tools, and supports your journey through college and beyond. Think about it. As a student, your financial situation is likely dynamic. You might be juggling part-time jobs, student loans, tuition fees, rent, textbooks, and the occasional late-night pizza craving. The last thing you need is a bank that's nickel-and-diming you with hidden fees or making it difficult to access your money. You need convenience, affordability, and features that actually make your life easier. So, how do Patriot Bank and Chase stack up when it comes to serving the student population? This isn't just a simple comparison, it's a deep dive into everything from checking and savings accounts to credit cards, student loans, customer service, and even their physical presence. By the end of this, you'll have a much clearer picture of which bank might be the best fit for your student life. Let's start with the basics, your everyday banking needs. Checking accounts, your daily financial hub. For most students, a checking account is the cornerstone of their financial life. It's where your direct deposits land, where you pay bills, and where you access cash for daily expenses. Both Patriot Bank and Chase offer checking accounts tailored for students, but they approach them with different philosophies. Patriot Bank's college-bound checking account is specifically designed for college students aged 18 to 23. What's immediately appealing about it is its simplicity, no minimum balance requirement and no minimum opening deposit. This is a huge plus for students who might not have a lot of upfront cash or who are just starting to manage their own finances. They also offer a rebate on the first 4 monthly withdrawals from non-Patriot ATMs, which can be a lifesaver if you find yourself in an area without a Patriot ATM. Plus, you get 24/7 access to their online and mobile banking tools, which is pretty standard but essential for today's students. Chase, on the other hand, offers the Chase College Checking Account. This account is designed for students between 17 and 24. One of its standout features is the potential for a $100 sign-up bonus when you open the account and complete 10 qualifying debit card transactions within 60 days. Who doesn't love free money, right? Crucially, Chase waives the monthly service fee for up to 5 years while you're enrolled in college, or until age 24. This fee waiver is a significant benefit, as standard Chase checking accounts can have a monthly fee. Chase also boasts an extensive network of over 16,000 ATMs and 4,700 branches nationwide, making it highly convenient to find an in-network ATM. However, be aware of their $34 overdraft fee, though they do offer alerts to help you avoid them and waive the fee if the overdraft is under $50 or if you bring it to less than $50 within 1 business day. Initial verdict on checking: if you're looking for absolute simplicity and minimal requirements from the get-go, Patriot Bank's college-bound checking is a solid choice. However, if you're comfortable with a slightly larger, more established bank and value a potential sign-up bonus and a vast ATM/branch network, Chase College Checking might be more appealing, especially with its generous fee waiver period. Savings accounts, building for the future. While checking accounts handle your daily transactions, savings accounts are crucial for building an emergency fund, saving for a big purchase, or just generally establishing good financial habits. Patriot Bank offers various savings options, and their Star Banking account can offer bonus rates on CDs and promo rates on savings accounts if you maintain a higher average daily balance across linked accounts. While they don't have a specific student savings account, their standard savings options would be available. The key here would be understanding any minimum balance requirements to avoid fees and to earn interest. Chase offers standard savings accounts where interest is compounded and credited monthly, based on the daily collected balance. Interest rates are variable and determined daily. Like with checking, account fees could reduce earnings, so it's important to understand the fee structure and how to waive them, which often involves maintaining a minimum balance or linking to a qualifying checking account. Chase generally isn't known for offering the highest interest rates on standard savings accounts compared to online-only banks, but the convenience of having all your accounts under one roof can be a draw. Initial verdict on savings. Neither bank appears to have a standout student savings account with exceptionally high interest rates. Your best bet with either would be to understand their standard savings offerings and any requirements to waive fees and maximize interest. For long-term growth, you might consider high-yield savings accounts from online-only banks, but for convenience, either Patriot or Chase can serve as a decent place to park emergency funds. Credit cards. Building your credit history. Building credit responsibly is paramount for students, as it impacts future loans, apartments, and even some job applications. Both banks offer options that can help students start this journey. Patriot Bank doesn't explicitly advertise student credit cards on their website. Generally, smaller regional banks might not have dedicated student credit card programs. You might need to inquire directly with them about options for those with limited credit history, which could include secured credit cards or requiring a cosigner. Chase, while not offering a specifically branded student credit card, does have the Chase Freedom Rise card. This card is designed for people new to credit cards, including students. It offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which is a decent rewards rate for a starter card. There's also a potential one-time $25 statement credit if you activate automatic online bill pay within 3 months. This card could be a good pathway for students to build credit, especially since Chase offers various resources on credit building. However, it's crucial to note that Chase does not offer an introductory APR on purchases or balance transfers for this card, meaning interest will accrue if you don't pay your balance in full each month. Initial verdict on credit cards. Chase clearly has an advantage here with a readily available option like the Freedom Rise card that's geared towards those new to credit and offers cash back rewards. For Patriot Bank, you'd likely need to explore their general credit card offerings and their requirements for new credit users. Remember, no matter which bank you choose, responsible credit card use, paying in full and on time, is key. Student loans. Funding your education. Beyond daily banking, student loans are a significant financial consideration for many. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.